I'm going to transfer it here because I'm going to bring this. So it's difficult to do that. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Simple Life in the Philippines. I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers here to support my little channel. Thank you so much, guys. Hello, and then yeah, today I'm going to make a chicken curry. So that's why I have this chicken here. Actually, this is two chicken. So as you can see, I have a chicken here. So I'm going to remove the intestine inside. I'm not expert to remove the intestine, but I'm gonna try it. And now I'm going to chop the chicken.
A few moments later.
Right now I have a pot with oil. So I'm going to saute the ginger first. Garlic, onion. We have plenty of onions, so yeah. Garlic and the onion. After a few seconds, just put the garlic. So here I have a garlic. So this is a garlic. The garlic, onion, and ginger. So I'm going to make a chicken curry. So this is the way that I make chicken curry. So, and this is a native chicken. I don't know how many hours to cook this, but we'll see. Because this is not like the chicken in the market that I saw. A native chicken. See here. Supposed to be I'm going to cook on the firewood outside, but it's really hot. Totally hot outside. So I'm just thinking to do that it here. Then I'm going to put black pepper. And I'm going to put another chicken cubes, just one. Here, after 20 minutes boiling, the chicken is soft and tender now. It's time to add our potato. So I have potato here. It's more easier and fast. Mix. Yeah, and then cover until the potato it's tender. Not totally tender, it's a little bit crunchy. Because later we're going to add our beans. For this chicken curry, what else? The bok choy also, I'm going to add it here. So here I have water, and then I'm going to squeeze the grated coconut for our chicken curry. So I already washed my hands 2 days ago. Joke, I'm just kidding. Because this is one of the ingredients that I'm going to use in chicken curry. So like this. So yeah, it's a coconut milk. So I need to use coconut milk on my. So this is fresh, not on the can, not on the pouch. So later I'm going to show you when is the perfect time to put this coconut. Some people, they're using coconut milk on the can or sometimes in the pouch, but me, I do that sometimes. But right now, because the chicken, it's a lot, so one can it's not good enough. So I'm just thinking to have the fresh coconut milk. So later we're going to strain this to remove the grated coconut. So yeah, don't worry. I washed my hands 3 years ago before I squeeze the coconut. So yeah, we're gonna check the potato. Yeah, potato it's ready. And then now I'm going to add the beans here. And then I have it here, another onion, bell pepper, and jalapeno. At this time, I'm going to add our chicken curry powder. Here. Okay, mix it together. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk. Here's the coconut milk here. I have a strainer, so I'm going to add the coconut milk now. Okay, it's too much. I think it's okay. So I put all this coconut. Then mix. I'm going to show you. So here's the chicken curry. Dahang itaw. Ayun, unsa. So yeah, as you can see, looks good. I'm gonna try it. And now it's time to add the chai or bok choy. And now the bok choy is here. So we're going to cook this a few minutes only, 1 or 2 minutes, and that's good enough. So yeah, as you can see, it looks delicious for me. Yeah. So this is how I cook my chicken curry. Here's Filipino dish. Yes, this is the finished product, and it tastes really good. For me, yes. I don't know if some of you like this, but for me, it tastes really good. Okay, so here I have the milkfish. I have two milkfish here, so I'm going to put some seasoning on it. Because later I'm going to bring this on the beach. So first, here I have onion, garlic, and chopped ginger also. So I'm going to put this inside. The other one too. Put inside. And I have jalapeno pepper or chili pepper. Yeah, and the other one too. Here I have a magic syrup. So just put inside a little bit outside. Okay. And then black pepper. Cracked black pepper. Okay, so yeah. And massage. So yeah, everything is inside. And then I need to have I'm going to add the calamansi or lime. Yeah, I put lime on it. One more. So now everything is ready. The food is here. So we're going to the beach. So see you there later. Yeah. So welcome back. Now we are here in Tonio Beach Resort. So here. So we're going to grill the fish here. Fish.
You want to do it? I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think you should use your hands. No need to use it. Just put this one in there. But with your hands. Now the fish it's almost ready, guys. So yeah, we're gonna have some lunch soon. So here's the view here where we go swimming. Here in Bacau, this place. So, yeah, and it's very nice view here, guys. As you can see, it's a little bit sunny, but it's all good. So let's go swimming.
Music licensing reimagined.
Now the fish is ready. So let's eat our lunch. So here, the fish. Hello, welcome back. Now you're here on the water. So here, so I have my sister there and her friends there too. So I think we already swam for about 3 hours already. But yeah. And that's all for today's video, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it and have a good day, everyone.